What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of JD Fishing. Yeah. Welcome back to a new JD Fishing episode. We're right here live, 5 in the boat, and we're hooked up with Brody. Yes, sir, guys, with a really big fish. Oh shit! Oh shit! The water is almost at the level of the boat. The rod is really bent. We got a big fish on the line, guys. Not so big. Yes, sir, guys. The first channel of the night. We're gonna unhook it right now. Yeah, so the first channel of the night, guys. We're gonna put it right back to the water. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, it's gone. Yeah, yes, sir, guys. Yeah. We're just hooked up with a nice bullhead catfish, a really big one. So yeah, the first catfish of the night. We're gonna put it right back. Yeah. So guys, like I said, tonight we're 5 people fishing in the little boat, and yeah, the water level is really close to the boat. So we're heading to the dock. The water is pretty rough right now, and 5 in the boat is not that safe. So we're heading to the dock and we're gonna fish a little bit from there. So guys, stay tuned, more fish to go. Yeah. What is up, guys? We are back with JD Fishing with a nice Pike, fishing on the St. Louis River. Guys, we're hooked up with a really nice Pike. Oh! We got a really nice Pike on the line. First cast right here. Got it. Yes.
Oh my god.
We got the first Pike of the season, guys. Look at this. A really decent one. Wow, first cast. Wow.
Yeah.
So guys, the second northern Pike of the year, a really pretty one. And yeah, we're gonna put it right back to the water, guys. Look at the nice colors. Yes, really awesome colors, guys. So we're gonna put it right back to the water. Yeah, look at the colors to this fish. A nice fight. Woo! And he's gone! Yes, guys, the second Pike of the season. A really nice one. So stay tuned, more fish to go. So guys, the fishing day is over. Hope you enjoyed. We got a really nice Pike today, and stay tuned for more JD fishing episode. these guys.